Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are going to look at new Christmas decor at Hobby Lobby and Walmart. Hobby Lobby was really just because my daughter and I went out to the mall to get her homecoming dress and the Hobby Lobby is out that way, and then Walmart was because I was dying to see what they had. So without further ado, let's go shopping. I'm going to show you very briefly some of the things that caught my eye in the store, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you a quick haul. So glad you guys are here. Okay, so now that we're back, I'm gonna show you the things that I picked up. We're gonna start with Hobby Lobby. I have to be 100% honest with you, I was not super impressed with Hobby Lobby this year. I know that that's probably a little bit unfair, but I just felt like it was a ton of repeated stuff. I know that there are some very viral things that are sold from there, like their velvet ornaments, those types of things, but I didn't even find any nice garland this year. I was kind of disappointed. There were a few things that I saw that caught my eye that I already showed you, like the longer bells. Those were really nice, but just in general, I wasn't super thrilled with the things that I saw. So I only picked up one Christmas item, and that is this sweet little hanging picture This was $7.99, but 50% off. So I thought it was really cute. I like the wood color, and I think I love little things like this to hang on my little peg rails that I have both in my dining room and at the end of my island. I also have a little spot to hang things up by my front door, but I thought that was really cute, and you can't go wrong with the cute little red truck. I did pick up 2 other items that are not Christmas, totally randomly. One was this item on clearance, is on clearance for $5, and again, goes along with that hanging things on the peg rail. It's this cute little like black shiplapped house. And I like bringing in black because I feel like it just gives a nice contrast. Normally $8.50, got it for $4.99. And then I also picked up this egg holder. It was $5.49, but I think it was on sale. I don't remember, but looks like this pretty wooden egg holder. And I think that this would be really pretty up in my kitchen cabinet up here with some faux eggs. And I really like the color. And I think that this is pretty everyday kitchen decor. So that's literally all I got at Hobby Lobby. Oh, no, it's not. Those are the only decor items that I got, but I did get some other things, and every year I buy my family personalized ornaments for our Christmas tree, and I started that. I did not get everybody's, but I did get most, so I'm going to share those with you. They always have really great ornament selection at Hobby Lobby. Really, really great ornament selection. So one was I picked up this one for Danny. Danny is a Coke Zero fanatic. Thought it was so cute how it looked like it has, like it's wet, you know, or like it's sweating. So cute. That was $7.99. All of their Christmas items were 50% off. So I don't want to say that repeatedly, but I'm going to tell you what the sticker price is and then imagine it 50% off. This is the one I picked up for Griffin. This is his current obsession. And I love that it just looks kind of like, I don't know, rustic. It looks like an actual ball. And this is made out of maybe ceramic, I would say. That one was $3.99. The other one was $7.99. This one is for Aiden. This is my sophomore. He'll be 16 in January, and he's also playing. This one was $5.99. Super cute. And I might paint this to match like his actual colors, his school colors. And then this last one I picked up for my son, Ryan. He's my littlest. And this is the sport that he plays. $4.99 for this one. Super cute. So now that for real is everything I got at Hobby Lobby. Next up, I went over to Walmart. I am highly impressed with Walmart's Christmas decor. They have an entire section of like vintage looking decor, and it is by far my favorite. And I was able to score something that I have been wanting, and I have it like tagged on Facebook Marketplace because I've been trying to get my hands on one, but they're so expensive. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up. First things first is every year I host a cookie swap where we have a really good time. We bring cookies, we all vote for like most creative, best flavor, all that kind of stuff. And then at the end, there's like a best overall cookie, and that person gets a prize. And I give a favor for everybody that comes, and every year it's a little ornament for their Christmas tree. And it's always some kind of cookie related one. And I typically find them at Walmart because they have great like gingerbread items. But this year I went with their little miniature ornaments. They look like this, and they're actually not that miniature. I mean, like they're small, but they're not that small. Like this is a really big ornament, you know what I mean? So they're small, like I said, but I don't think that they're too small. I love the little spatula. So cute, a little mug. So I figured what I could do with these is I always put the year, I'll like write the year on the back, and then I can put a cute little tag on these, and I think they'll be perfect. So I got 4 sets of 5. That is, these were $2.49. That gives me 20 ornaments, and that's usually around how many people I have. The other thing I picked up is, so every year I do like a prize for the winner. And I thought that it would be really cute if they got like a little extra ornament, because I saw this one on the little miniature rolling pin with the cute little cookie. I couldn't even deal with how cute this was. This was $1.89. They have such great ornament selection there, you guys. And I know in the previous footage I showed you a ton of it. I just think that they have really, really nice ornaments there. You can do an entire tree for really affordable. I think you could probably buy a tree and ornaments and lights for like $100 and have it decked out and looking nice. Again, talking about those hanging like areas that I have in my house, I did pick up a couple of little things that I could hang on there. One is a super cute, it's technically an ornament, but it looks like a little breadboard, and it has a little gingerbread house. Super cute. I have a thing for gingerbread houses. I wish it wasn't glittery. That's one thing I have to say, is that I wish everything wasn't covered in glitter. Like, I know it's Christmas and things are supposed to be shiny and all that good stuff, but I just wish it wasn't all covered in glitter. But I loved the little striped bow on this, and I just thought that this would be so cute to hang from one of those little peg rails. This was, again, $1.98. $1.98 for that. Like, such a great price. The last thing I picked up in their little ornament section was this adorable little letters to Santa one. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Again, $1.98. So very sweet. And again, I just think that this would look so cute hanging from one of my little peg rails, right? Like, isn't that so, and it's tin. It's so cute. Just love it. Love, 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 love. I got a lot of things at Walmart last year for my Christmas decor. One thing that I am looking for that I did not see yesterday, but I'm going to keep my eye out, is some cedar garland. I want some cedar garland. I know we were doing the pine for a while, and now the cedar is very popular. I really like the cedar. I like that fluffy look that it has. And I feel like the cedar is a little bit more vintage looking, a little more nostalgic, which is what I really like. So I'm going to keep my eye open for that. They had some there that was like cedar and pine, but I just want cedar. I did see somebody on Instagram post some that was from Amazon, so I may have to snag that if I can find it again. Okay. I also picked up this super cute little countdown. This was $6.98. I have a thing for Santas that look just like this. I just picked up a decor piece from Antique Farmhouse online that looks just like this Santa. It's like a big wooden cutout that I thought would look so cute like in my family room on the peg rail shelf. But this is a little countdown for $7, you guys. I love him. I think he's so cute, and any kind of vintage Santa, like, I am 100% in for that. These next two items, my last two items, they don't go together, but they are the same thing. One is just bigger, one is smaller. And these are probably the thing I am the most excited about in all of these things that I just showed you. And that is little Santa blow molds. You guys, look at how cute he is. Hold on. He lights up. Isn't he cute? So a blow mold is like this plastic, that, you know, is blown into a shape, and then they paint it. It's plastic. They're hollow. There's a light inside. They light up and look like this. Again, he's got a bunch of glitter on the snow, but I guess that does help to differentiate the snow from Santa himself. But so very cute, and I love him. And he was $9.98, which I think is such a great price. But you guys, my prized possession from this Walmart Christmas this year is this Santa blow mold. Like, isn't he cute? Oh, I just love him. I can't turn him on for you because I got to plug him in. Well, maybe I could, but he's all wrapped up. Let's see. This guy was $30, $29 and change, I think. I'm gonna plug him in so you guys can see how freaking cute he is. There he is. Isn't he cute? And let me tell you guys, there's something so vintage about a blow mold Santa. So he's pretty big. It's probably about half the size of me. Let's see what he says. 24 inches. 24-inch blow mold Santa for $34. Isn't he cute? I'm so excited. He's gonna go on my front porch, right by my front door, and he's very vintage. Blow mold Santas, blow mold anything. I've been on the hunt for like a Halloween blow mold. I want a ghost. But isn't he perfect? I just think he's so dang cute. I can't even. And he's got a sweet little face. And he's gonna be perfect on my front porch this Christmas. And that is it for my first Christmas haul, you guys. Those are the things that I've picked up. Obviously, it's only October, so I will definitely be doing a little bit more shopping. Probably not a ton more. Like I said, I definitely want to get some cedar garland. That is an important thing for me this year that I would like to get. But I have a lot of Christmas decor. I got a lot of bins down there, so I probably won't be getting a ton more. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this early shopping, and hopefully you guys can, you know, find some really cute, very affordable items at Walmart, maybe Hobby Lobby. And yeah, I'm so excited. I love the holiday season. We are still prepping for our Halloween party. Like we have plenty of Halloween and fall left, but it's just so fun. I love the holidays so much. So thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.